Welcome to the future of manufacturing. Today we delve into the dynamic realm of 3D digital printing and its transformative journey in the global market. A recent study by Nextmove Strategy Consulting unveils a fascinating projection. The 3D digital printing market is set to soar to an impressive $43 billion, with a compound annual growth rate of approximately 13% by the year 2030. Buckle up. The automotive sector is steering towards a revolution. The adoption of 3D digital printing technology is accelerating worldwide. Why? Because 3D printing is not just about creating high-detailed and accurate scale models, it's about revolutionizing the way designs come to life. From prototyping interior elements to crafting custom, complex, and high-performance parts, 3D printing is reshaping the future of automotive design. Soaring through the skies, the aerospace industry is also catching the 3D printing wave. Rapid prototyping, part replacement consolidation, and efficient tooling fixture creation, 3D printing is propelling innovation to new heights. Let's not forget the impact on healthcare. 3D printing is not just about machines, it's about possibilities. Prostheses, implants, and accurate prototypes of medical devices are now within reach, thanks to the growing application of 3D printing in the healthcare sector. Of course, no journey is without its challenges. High maintenance of industrial 3D printers and the limited availability of materials pose hurdles. But fear not, because every challenge is an opportunity in disguise. Enter the era of electronic component prototypes. The introduction of 3D printers capable of creating components like printed circuit boards, antennae, capacitors, and sensors is set to revolutionize manufacturing, reducing costs, and opening up new avenues for growth. Now, let's look at the global landscape. North America dominates the 3D digital printing market and is poised to maintain its lion's share. Meanwhile, Europe is on a steady rise, promising a dynamic future for 3D printing. Meet the game changers. Key players like 3D Systems, Xometry, Stratasys, Protolabs, Velo3D, Desktop Metal, Materialise N.V, Nano Dimension, Markforged Holding, Shapeways Holdings, and others are shaping the future. Through acquisitions, product launches, and business expansion, they're paving the way for innovation and dominance in the 3D digital printing market. As we conclude this journey, stay connected with us for continued insights and updates on the ever-evolving landscape of the 3D digital printing market. Thank you for joining us in exploring the transformative impact of 3D printing on the future of manufacturing. Until next time, stay innovative.